G'day guys, it's Tommy from Raw Blend, and today I'm gonna make a brand new recipe. This is my lychee ginger crush. We're pretty much in the middle of summer here in Australia. It's starting to get pretty hot. So this is a fantastic recipe for cooling right down. Also really works well as a base for a cocktail mix. So let's get started. So today I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. I'm using the 1.4 litre container. I find it a better size container when I'm making smaller recipes. Let's get blending. First I'm gonna add some red seedless grapes. They're really sweet. They taste beautiful, just blended on their own. Next I'm gonna add my lychees. So I'm actually using frozen lychees here, and I've thawed them out a little bit, but you can use fresh lychees, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna add the ginger kick. So nice bit of ginger with the skin as well. This is a Vitamix, the skin, the peels, the seeds, no match for Vitamix. It'll make it to a silky smooth consistency. And I'm gonna add some lime with the peel. Just a nice kick of lime there as well. I've already got some frozen lychees in here, so I don't want to go crazy with my ice quantity. But if you're making this at home with fresh lychees, you're probably going to want to add more ice because I want to give it that nice icy consistency. I'm going to lock my lid into place. I've got my tamper ready to go in case I need it. I'm going to use the manual setting today because I'm not sure how long my smoothie will take, but probably about 30 seconds. So it started on speed 1. I'm going to work it straight up to 10. Okay. Oh, just got a good hit of lychee, ginger and lime when I open that lid. Absolutely delicious. Let's serve out some of that. That's the consistency I wanted, that nice sort of crush ice consistency. So refreshing. Let's try some of that. So good. Definitely make this recipe this summer, especially if it's a hot day. You're gonna love it. Happy blending.